This would be a great way to continue to remind herself of God's thoughtful mercy. And then Jasmine said, "This all sounds great. I think I'm ready to make my decision now." But then her ancestor said, "Wait, you can't make a decision now until you have the next dream. You have to know all the names before you're able to decide which name is the best out of all the ones you've seen. But for now, it's time to wake up. I'll visit you again in another dream tomorrow so that we can continue." Watch the next episode to see what happens to Jasmine.